Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Vertex Manoj. Exercise 4.2. I did this exercise till question number 12. So many students requested me to make the all the questions videos. So let's see. Today I'm just making till from question 13 to 16. Then I'll make the new video for 17 onward. Because the maths video are going to very long, so maybe that becomes like make you bored. So first, here, show that the solution of the equation this are real for all the values. For real means, please remember, for real values means your D discriminant should be greater than 0 means positive. I have explained all the time this when x is greater than 0, it means we have all positive value. When x is less than 0 means we are talking about all negative values. Greater than 0 means positive, less than 0 means negative. Okay. X squared plus kx, and when I move 3 minus k in left hand side is coming, plus k and minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the first way we write the equation in quadratic form. Here you can also write in this way that x squared plus kx and plus this is k minus 3. Like where the value of a is 1, value of b is k, and value of c is k minus 3. Like remember the standard form of the quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx and plus c is equal to 0. In this form, when we're talking about this, like this equation are real for all values of k. So let's check first of all, this the discriminant should be like greater than 0. So what I write? I need to find the like discriminant first of all. D is equals to b square minus 4ac. What is D? When we put the value here, like b is k minus 4, a is 1, and c is k minus 3. K squared minus 4k and minus minus is plus 12. This situation. Now, actually, what we need here, we need all positive values. Just think about this here. When you put k is equals to 1, this is 1, and k, when you put 1 here, this will become 1 minus 4 and plus 12. Your answer is coming positive. It's okay. But how can we prove? Like when I substitute k is equals to, suppose k is minus 2 is also coming positive. We do not need to show all the values. We have to make one equation complete square form here. How I will make a complete square form? K minus, I just always consider these two things. K minus, what is the half of 4? 2. 2 squared minus 2 squared, and I need to copy plus 12 here. Okay, this is completing square method. For this purpose, you can see my video. Like in playlist, completing square method is very important. Without that, you cannot understand this step. I have explained in detail the completing square method. Okay, D is coming k minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 square is minus 4 plus 12 is plus 8. Now, this equation and this equation, for this equation, we were not sure that k is minus 2 or 2. But when you see this equation, in this equation, suppose you put k is 5. 5 minus 2 whole square means if your bracket is positive, square means always positive. Even your bracket is negative. For example, when you have minus 5 whole square, it becomes plus 25. Because in the bracket, all the values of k, even negative, positive, whatever, all will become positive because of this square. And plus 8 is already a positive value. So in this situation, your value for k, all the values, you can see, uh, like here we can say one thing, this equation are real for all values of k. So it means we have proof here, this all the values are like for k is positive. So that's the first question. So it means in this question we have to make the equation in complete square form so that all the values of k, even negative or positive, will remain positive. Question number 14. Given that this equation, find x in terms of t. This is very important, especially in the functions where, like, when we make x as a subject. Here it's written, find x in terms of t means we have to make x as a subject. Okay, x squared minus 2x minus t and plus 2 equal to 0. Uh, this is one like quadratic form, and normally this is my way. I always write the positive value first, like plus 2 and minus t. Okay, a is 1, b is minus 2, and c is 2 minus t. If you want to make a quadratic equation, like in quadratic equation, a subject like x as a subject, this is not easy because when you have a linear equation like x minus 3x minus 5 is equals to k, you can make x as a subject like k plus 5 and this 3 will divide. This is very easy. Making subject in quadratic equation is very simple. You have to use complete like quadratic formula. Minus b plus minus under root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Like just put the value. X is your subject. Like minus b means minus 2 plus minus under root b square is minus 2 square minus 4a is 1 and c is 2 minus t. Okay, and now we can do one thing. 2 and a is 1. Afterward, we can simplify this. X is equals to, like, minus minus is plus 2 plus minus under root. Here we write 2 squared is 4. And this minus 2 and 8 is minus 8. And minus minus is plus. 4 times t is 40. Divided by 2a is only 2. Okay, 2 times 1. Now just we need to simplify in terms of t. 40 and this is coming 40 and minus 4. Okay. X is coming to for class 9 students, there's a problem to understand here. What is common? 4 is common. Otherwise, in class 11, students can do it very easily. This 4 root is 2. So this 4 will come out. I can write this 4 cut and I can write 2 here. Like when we take the root of 4 is coming 2. Here, this 2 we can write with both the, like here with 2 and with this 2. I'm just doing directly here. This is coming 1 and plus minus. This is coming t minus 1. And that's the first step we have done. Like here, you have written x in terms of t. This is the subject. Okay. Now, hence, reduce the range of the values of t for x to be real. If you want to make x real value, just consider plus 1. This is 1 plus minus. This should be, if you think your result under root is, can you get the under root value negative minus 2? Not possible. Not possible. Okay. Can you have the value root 0? Yeah, it's possible. It's possible. It means your root, the value of root can be 0. Like this value should be 0. It cannot be negative because negative means it's not possible. When you put the value of t, suppose value of t is 0. What's the result here? 0 minus 1 is minus 1 and minus 1 is not possible. Okay, it means t cannot be 0. Okay, I put t is 1. Suppose t is 1. T is 1 means when I put 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, the under root 0 is possible. So when under root 0 is there, 1 plus minus 0, it means your result will be 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 minus 0 is also 1. So, okay, what value we need here, the value of t, your under root should be 0 and t is coming 1. So for this part, what we can do, t minus 1, 0, t is 1. It means If you have t minimum value 1 and it's coming 0, you can solve it. If you have 2 here, suppose the t is coming here, like t you put 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, okay, and 1 root is 1, is positive value, and 1 plus 1 is 2. When you write 1 minus 1 is coming 0. Oh, and we do not need 0. So it means your value of t should be equals to and more than 1. All values for this, like this is the range, and that's the range that you can find. T should be always more than 2. 15. What you can do in question number 15, the curve curves x-axis at 2 point. Okay, x-axis at 2 point means uh, your x-axis here curves x-axis at 2 points. You can write here, and positive means you have to like this and 2 points. So y equals to 0. So y equals to 0, we can write 0 is equals to 3x squared minus 2x plus c and minus 1. 3x squared minus 2x plus c minus 1 is equal to 0. What is a? A is 3, b is minus 2, and c is c minus 1. And find the range of the values of c. Okay, what we like remember, when we have two roots, there are two roots. Two roots means discriminant should be greater than 0. We have done it, like if for this purpose you have to see my video 4.1 or 4.2 from the beginning, from question number 1, and before question number 1 I have explained this how we can find the roots. Okay, discriminant means b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0. What is b? B is minus 2, 4a is 3, and c is c minus 1 greater than 0. Okay, now we can simplify. 4 minus 12c and minus minus plus 12 greater than 0. Okay, 12c is negative and this is plus 12 and this is coming 16. You can shift in left hand side or right hand side this c. So it's I do one more step here. When you cut this negative sign, this will change. This is mathematics property. Otherwise, you can shift one thing. 16 in left hand side and 12c in right hand side. So 16 upon 12, and c is from c is less than to c is less than 16 upon 12 means 4 upon 3, and we have done it. Question number 16. Find the values of p for which this x-axis is the tangent. This question should relate to differentiation chapter 15 little bit. Let's see if I do without that. The curve does each these. Okay, when you have like x-axis is a tangent. Tangent means, it's very important. The tangent means the curve is like this. Whatever here, anywhere. This one turning point, x-axis here, and the quadratic we need, like, this is a turning point here, one, and where y is equals to 0. Let's see what we have in this. A tangent means a tangent means just one point of intersection. This is the tangent. This is a tangent here. This is a tangent. This tangent. For example, if this is a curve, if I draw a line in such way, this at one point, this is called the tangent. Okay. So x-axis is the tangent, and we need to find all the values. Okay, let's see. Tangent and x-axis means y is 0. 0 is equals to x squared plus px minus p and plus 3. I would write like x squared plus px. I write 3 first and p afterward because this is my way. I write positive value. A is 1, b is 2, sorry, p is p, and c is 3 minus p. So when we have like one point of intersection, remember the discriminant is always equals to 0. you should watch 4.2 from the beginning. So B is P squared minus 4A is 1 and C is 3 minus B. P squared minus 4 times is 3, 12 P, 12, and minus minus plus is 4P. So your equation is coming P squared plus 4P minus 12 is equal to 0. What are the factors? The factors are plus 6P and minus 2P. Okay. So P is common. P plus 6 is, and minus 2 is common. And minus 6, 2 is common. So P plus 6 equal to 0. P plus 6 and P minus 2 will give us two possible values of P, or P is Q. Okay, let's see. Uh, we are having two values of P. Now, find each of the following, values for find the coordinates of the point of tangency. Tangency means it's turning point actually, but okay. And the tangency means tangent is at x on x-axis. Remember, x-axis means what is 0? Y is always equal to 0. Okay, let's see. What I have to do, I have to copy the original equation. Like P, I would write P is minus 6. So this will become x squared minus 6x. And when I put value here minus 6 and is plus 9. Okay. And the second equation is when P is 2, so y is equals to x squared minus this 2P. I'm just putting the value in the original equation. And minus 2 is coming plus 1. Minus 2 plus 3 is okay. Now, what we need is very simple. Tangency means on x-axis, I have to put y equals to 0. We have a more method. Maybe I'll discuss here. That's how we can find the turning point. 0 is equals to x squared minus 6x and plus 9. X squared minus 6x means you can make the factors, but it's also perfect square. Yes, this is perfect square. This 9 square is 3 square. So x minus 3 equal to 0 and x is coming 3. So on x-axis, like y is always 0. So the coordinates are 3, 0. When you move here, like 0 is equals to x squared plus 2. Sorry, this is x. 2x and plus 1 is also perfect square. X plus 1 whole square. X is coming 0 and x is coming minus 1. So the coordinates are here minus 1, 0. This is the way I have done question number 16. That's one more thing I would like to discuss here. If I find the turning point, let's see what I'm doing here for this one, for this part. I want to find the turning point. Let's see what will be happening here. So the turning point method is what I take this value. X minus half of 6 is 3 whole square and minus 3 square, and I have to copy plus 9. X minus 3 whole square and 3 square is 9 and is coming 0. What's the turning point? 3 and 0. Check both the same. So this is very important that when x-axis is the turning point, like x-axis is the point, like tangent is always the turning point. So question number 17 till 19, I'll make the next video because the videos are becoming very lengthy. Thank you so much. This you all comments me, write the comment and give the feedback. This how my videos are going well and you're understanding. So please share with your friends, please. This is like I'm trying my best to give all the ideas how we can solve the questions, simplify the, and after some time I'll be solving also the past simple questions. So thank you so much and have a nice day.